Safaricom Home Fibre customers here in Nyayo Embakasi, we usually have certain key challenges: a buffering speed, a slow speed, range issues. Maybe you're in your room, you can't get that connected to your fast speed. So luckily today, we have the Safaricom Home Fibre team here to address your issue at Nyayo Embakasi Malaika Park.
Hello, my name is Alan Nondieki, Fibre Home Technician. I'm here to check for this client so where the router is so that she can get a good connection to all the rooms. First, where the router is positioned currently, it's on the sitting room at the farthest corner, as you can see. Now we have to relocate the router for a good reception so that the router goes straight to the corridor where we'll have another socket to enable a central position to be installed. Since we will be having only one barrier between the rooms and the router, which is this wall and this wall.
Hi, my name is Paul Chigozie. I'm a resident here in Nyayo Estate. Recently, just switched from a different ISP to Safaricom Home Fibre. And personally, coming from a heavy online gamer, I prefer a heavy, good stable connection. And I personally think Safaricom Home Fibre delivered. From my experience, I'd urge the online gaming community to hop onto the Safaricom Home Fibre network.